Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Before you remove two-step verification, confirm your recovery options and risks. Keep backup codes printed or saved in a secure password manager. Make sure your recovery phone number or email is accessible right now. Understand that disabling 2FA stops the generation of 6-digit codes from authenticator apps immediately. Know that removing two-step verification increases account risk and lowers your account protection level. Decide whether temporary disabling or transferring methods would be safer than full removal. Sign into the account using your existing two-step verification method and primary password. Open the Security or Two-Step Verification Settings page in Account Preferences. Locate the Authenticator app entry and choose Remove or Revoke for that 2FA device. Remove any registered phone numbers and delete stored backup codes from account settings. Complete the final confirmation step, which often requires a current 6-digit code or email confirmation link. Save the confirmation note or screenshot for your records after removal completes. After you remove two-step verification, immediately review and strengthen your account password. Consider enabling an Authenticator app or a FIDO2 security key as safer alternatives to SMS. Recreate new backup codes and store them securely in a password manager or physical safe. Turn on account alerts to notify you of new sign-ins and monitor activity daily for the first 30 days. If you changed passwords, log out other devices and update saved passwords across your devices. Keep a recovery plan ready in case you...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.